Hello guys, this is the Borders and this is another tutorial of Unity3D scripting. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make, how to separate variables you don't want to mess up. So in the current scene you have, or in the current project you have, or script, whatever it is, just open the script. I'll make a new one so I can show you, and I'll name it separated variables. Open it up. Okay, wait a second, here it is. So now, if you have, for example, a function for moving, or a function for sliding, or function for, call it whatever like, and you want to separate these variables, you have to make a new public class in the script and make it serializable so you can access it from a variable in the main script. Okay, so let's say we have a function1 class and we want to store there our name, middle name and family name. Okay, we make a public class first. We make a public class, name it credentials. Okay, now we have to make it a serializable class. So we type system.serializable, and here we add public variables. So because we are making a new public class, we need this its variables to be public, otherwise we won't be able to access them in the main script here. So what we do is public string name, public string public string middle name, public string family name. I forgot how it's spelled. I hope I didn't mistake it. Okay, now we made the strings. Now we want to access them in the main script. The way we're doing this is we make a public variable that connects with the credential class, and we put some name so we can access it later in the main script. So public credentials, user credentials. Okay, now after this is done, let's for example show you how to access them in the script. So we're making a start function where we will print these two strings into the console. So print user credentials dot name, print user credentials dot middle name, and print user credentials dot family name. Okay, this is what we basically do, and now let's save it and attach it to a game object. I will attach mine to the main camera, and here it is what we have: a user credentials separated function. Here are the name, the middle name and the family name. So I'll put my name to boy, my middle name and my family name. Oops. Okay, now let's start and see what is gonna print in the console. Oh guys, I'm really sorry, but I had to pause here because my house near train rails, and it's making a lot of noise when a trace is moving around, so I had to pause and I'll continue it now. Okay, yeah, I typed my name and my family name, and now I have to see what's gonna print in the console. So start it, and here you are, my name, my middle name, which I didn't type, and my family name, the borders. Okay, the reason I made this tutorial was that some of you, maybe a lot of you, are using the standard character controller from the Unity3D scripts, and one of the scripts have a separated functions. I mean, the character motor have some separated functions such as movement, jumping, moving platform, and sliding. So I was curious what people think about this, and I started a research in the Unity answers and Google, so I can see, is there any way to separate variables or functions or whatever it is. And I saw a lot of people complaining about that they can't do it, and a lot of people just offering to make a custom editors. So I know that making a custom editor is maybe the best way, but it's one of the hardest ways and it takes a lot of time. So I decided to make a simple tutorial how to separate these variables. Okay guys, thanks for the attention, and sorry if I made any speak mistakes. Again, it's a little bit confusing for me to talk in front of all of you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my tutorials. And that's it. And by the way, we're posting an update one of our current work in progress project. So I hope you subscribe us and give it a view. So thank you guys, see you soon, bye.